Welcome back to Stuff We Love, Josh. We have a grill here, I see.
That is,
and
nice you noticed.
It has a gorilla on it. Grill, not gorilla, but grill.
Grilla Grills.
Grilla Grills, yep.
And this is the Silverbac model, Mark.
All right.
Yes.
First thing I noticed, there's no knobs. How do I turn my heat up and down?
Yeah, 100-pound propane tank.
And
right
there's no
back here.
propane tank either.
No, there is not. This is actually a wood pellet grill. You put pellets in this to cook.
That's what the fuel is. Gotcha.
Yes, that is the fuel for it,
Right.
and it runs on 110, so everybody's aware of this.
Okay.
So you do need an
so it's
outlet by
electric.
you.
So doesn't no propane.
It's electric. Yes,
Right.
it is. So
you can tell I'm a grill aficionado.
Yeah, I'm still getting him on my side. So this is actually, I know you're probably looking at it's
Smoke.
Yes.
So it's a smoker or a grill?
So that's the great question. This is actually a combo. It's a smoker and a grill. So around 180 degrees, you smoke. So you can put, they got 6 different flavors of wood pellets that you put in here. There's an auger bit with a burning pot.
So that's the only thing that defines smoking versus grilling is if you're going at low temperatures, it's going to create smoke.
Exactly.
Gotcha.
And then, so after 180 degrees, you're starting to grill up to 500. It does it in 5-degree increments. What's really cool.
And how do you set the temperature?
So there's a digital face over here that you can set the temperature. It's got a probe that goes in it to keep an eye on your meat, what the temperature's at.
Plug the probe in.
Yeah, you just feed it through the hole over here. You always know what your temperature your meat's at. What I really like is there's a lot of people out there that aren't hitting that 500-degree mark because the barrels aren't insulated. Now with these insulated...
So if on a cold day, it wouldn't...
Exactly, Mark. God, he's smart. So yes, these do work in cold weather as well as they get the temperature up to 500 degrees. That's what, with the insulated barrel as well that I really love is it's a safety feature for kids.
Oh,
so with that double wall,
hot.
if they touch it, you touch a regular thin wall or single wall.
But they usually only do it once.
Yeah, I know, but that one time can be a big issue.
I gotcha.
So,
all right, what do we got cooking in here?
Cooking.
No
did
pun
you notice
intended.
this? Solid stainless steel, super
and heavy
nice.
duty. That is
quarter-inch stainless steel grates they got on here.
That is pretty beefy.
Stainless steel drip pan.
Actually, it looks easy to clean too. It's a flat surface underneath there.
Yes, it's very nice. Yes, I've been very impressed with this grill.
And the shelf, I like the shelf.
Yep, so the shelf is actually an accessory you can pick up.
Oh.
It folds as well, which is really nice.
Ooh, that is nice.
There's a lot of them out there that aren't running the shelf or don't have an option for it. It gives you that space. I love the doors on the bottom, and the reason is because you can store your pellets in there.
Oh, sure.
And the mice can't get in there, number one, and number two, it keeps the rain out. So a lot of these other systems out there are open. I really like that's enclosed because you can keep your pellets in there.
Excellent. How much, what are we talking, how much, where do we get it?
So this is $7.49. You can get it online. You actually order it from Grilla Grills out of Michigan. They'll ship it to you.
Okay.
You'll have it in approximately 5 to 7 days.
So it's online only?
Online only,
and for
one place.
And it comes with, does it come with the rack?
No, this is an accessory as well. You
so
can
these
order
two,
this.
so if you took these two things off, that's what you get for how much?
You get the grill. $7.49 shipped to your front door in the lower 48 states. It came with all the tools. And I had this thing together in 20 minutes. Everything was marked. I had the help of lifting the barrel onto the stand.
Right.
I mean, I just couldn't believe how well they had set up the design for putting it together. And then here's the wood pellets. They come in the bags.
And they make their own pellets?
Yeah.
But you don't have to use their pellets?
No, you don't have to use their pellets,
Right.
but they make a really good pellet. I've had really good luck with the 6 flavors that they're running on there. So.
All right, Grilla Grills, what's your website?
So GrillaGrills.com.
Grilla, Grilla.
Yep. $7.49 shipped to your door. Mark, you know what's coming up? 4th of July.
Great. Get that apron on and start
5
cooking,
to 7
baby.
days. You get your order in soon. You'll have one for the 4th.
All right. We'll see you next time.